Welcome to the informative new Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So first let's open the Muviz Edge application. Let's it open once again. Now we can see here the all available themes which we can select. For example, let's use this one. Just tap here to apply this theme. We can use the backgrounds, another background of this theme. For example, let's use this one. Just tap here to apply. We can just change the music controls time to show it. We can hide them after 10 seconds. Just don't hide them. We can turn on or turn off the to show the feature, to show the incoming notifications from different apps. Also, we can show the date on the home screen. If you want to turn it off, just we should use the switcher. And we can also show battery status always while they were charging, or just to don't show it. Let's just go back, tap to the X icon, and then we should select the settings section, tap to the always on display section, and here we can change the feature to show always on display on lock screen always while they was charging, or when we'll play the music. We can use these two features separately. Also, I'll just stay with it always. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute to never. We can also decrease and increase the brightness level, and we can turn off the AUD feature with double or single tap on the lock screen. And also, if you just use the fingerprint unlock method, you can also activate feature to close it with the fingerprint. And if you want to set the schedule of the always on display, you can also set the start and the end time of always on display feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.